This right here is the ultimate comfort food. It don't get no better. Renaissance people, Renaissance Cam here back in effect. Welcome back to my channel. If y'all new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification bell to be alerted when these videos drop. Today, as you can see, we're back in the kitchen, so I got another banging recipe for y'all to try. I hope everybody's doing well, but I'm just cut to the chase. Today we are making a buffalo chicken Alfredo. Virtual high five. Another simple, easy recipe. It just sounds complicated, alright? Let's get started. Now, like I said and I promised, these ingredients are very simple, very easy to find. All you gotta do is go get them, alright? So this is what you'll need. So the ingredients for this dish are 1 chicken breast, some fettuccine noodles, some flour, some vegetable oil, some Parmesan cheese, some mozzarella cheese, some crumbled blue cheese, 1 lemon, some chives, some ranch dressing, some buffalo sauce, some hot sauce, some ranch seasoning packets, 2 eggs, some ground black pepper, some salt, some panko breadcrumbs, some Creole seasoning, and some parsley flakes. That's all you'll need. So y'all have the ingredients, let's get to it. Alright guys, so the first thing we want to do, we're going to take our chicken breast here, and we want to butterfly it. And all that means we're going to cut it in half, down the middle, so that it can cook evenly. A thinner piece of chicken will cook more fast and evenly. Just like that, see? Alright, now that we got it butterflied, we're just going to add in some seasoning. So just a little bit of Pink's Himalayan sea salt. A little bit. You don't have to go too heavy because we're going to have a flavored egg wash. We're going to make an egg wash for it. So you don't have to go too heavy with the seasoning. You want to make sure you get both sides coated nicely. And then we'll move forward. Alright guys, so now that we have our chicken somewhat seasoned, we're going to make our flavored egg wash, alright? And it's going to be simple. It's just 2 eggs and hot sauce. That's all it is. Alright guys, so now that we have our egg wash finished up, we are going to season our flour and our panko breadcrumbs, alright? So basically how this thing's going to work is we're going to take our chicken breast, we're going to dip it in flour first, then we're going to dip it into the egg wash, and then we're going to dip it into the panko breadcrumbs, alright? Then we're going to fry these up in a shallow fry with just some vegetable oil and get them nice and crispy on both sides. As far as the seasoning goes, I'm going to dump about half of one of these packets in each of these. So I'm gonna dump some in the panko, I'm gonna dump some in the flour, and I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley in there as well, just to give it a little bit of color. All right. Alright guys, so we got our oil nice and hot, so we're just going to start crisping up these bad boys until they're nice and golden brown on each side. Alright guys, so first to a hot pan, we're going to take our garlic butter, about a tablespoon, and get that melting, alright? As our butter melts, we're gonna add in some heavy cream. Alright guys, so once your sauce comes to a simmer, we're gonna start seasoning, alright? So first things first, we're gonna add in some salt. We're gonna add in some parsley flakes. We're gonna add in some Creole seasoning. Add in some black pepper. So I didn't use the rest of our ranch seasoning packet, so I'm gonna just pour the rest of that in here, just to kind of give it that buffalo and ranch type feel, you know what I'm saying? Now to this mix, we're just gonna add a touch of ranch, just a dab of ranch, just like that, alright?
Dab on them folk in that tone too.
Alright, so now that we got it all simmering again, we're gonna add in some mozzarella cheese. Then we're gonna add in some Parmesan cheese. And just mix, you wanna mix this until it's all, see how it's thick right now? You wanna mix it until we got a nice smooth consistency all the way through. And that's just gonna come with time and heat, alright? Alright guys, now to a big bowl I have some Moore's buffalo wing sauce, and we're just going to add some to a bowl so this can help create our saucy chicken cutlets, alright? And I actually got the medium one. I didn't get the extremely hot one because I actually like to enjoy my food, so I got something that I can handle. If you think the medium is too spicy, then you can probably jump back and get the mild, alright? But this is what I'm using. Also to the sauce, I'm going to add about a half a lemon, catch the seeds, and then wring them out of your hand just like that. And we're going to mix this up. Alright guys, now that we got our sauce all combined with the lemon and the wing sauce, we're going to take our chicken cutlets and we're going to drop them in one at a time so we don't knock off all the, we're just going to give it a nice little toss. You might have to get your hands in there and kind of flip it because it's a little bit wider. Just give it a nice little toss like that. Alright guys, so we got everything pretty much done. The pasta sauce is done. The chicken is done. The pasta is done. So we're going to plate this up real elegant, you know what I'm saying? The Renaissance way. And we're going to get to grubbing, alright? Alright guys, time for another moment of truth. We put in the hard work. Time to taste. I'm starving. Let's get to it. This right here is where it's at. You can taste a little bit of the ranch. You can taste the buffalo sauce. It's not too spicy. It works perfect because you got creamy, then you got spicy, and you got You know what I'm saying? You got the garlic in there. It's perfect. Alright? This right here is the ultimate comfort food. It don't get no better. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I definitely enjoyed making it for you. I look forward to making so many more interesting videos for y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching once again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be alerted when I release these videos, alright? With that being said, y'all keep on learning. I'll see y'all next time.